Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Today's topic, I am going to go over just a few common estate planning traps, right? This is a brochure produced and available at my office, right? I hand this out to prospective clients. So 34 common estate planning traps and how to avoid them. So let me go through just a few. Number one, neglect, avoidance, and procrastination. So people sometimes think they do not need a will or an estate plan or a trust. And they think that for a variety of reasons, that they don't have an estate worth a certain amount. They're satisfied with taking care of things during their life, and they don't need to wait until their death. Maybe they think that the laws of their state, so I'm in New York, and in fact there is a plan in place. If you don't create your own will, if you don't have your own estate plan, New York State will distribute your money for you. There's a court process called an administration. So if you're married and you also have children, your spouse will get, there's a spousal share, right? An elective share. So they'll get the first $50,000 and then they'll get the next half. But then your children will also get half. That could very well be a good plan for you, but maybe it's not. Maybe the children are minors, right? Maybe you've been estranged from your children. Maybe the children are adult children in a situation where they don't need to inherit at that given time in their lives. So we really need to discuss things. Now, what's the next one? Putting off an estate plan because you are not ready to make the difficult decisions. So what that means is, you can't really wrap your head around the children, the stepchildren, your extended family, and maybe even the percentage that you want to give to your own children, right? So when people are wrestling with that and they have a confused mind, the default position of a confused mind is to do nothing. But I will tell you this, just because you put together an estate plan, it's valid if executed properly, but you can always change it. You can change your plan. So, and once you get, once you've made your plan, it's always easy to make a second plan, mentally and emotionally, is what I mean, right? You've gotten into the decision-making muscle. Number three, and I'll end with this one, believing that you are too young for an estate plan. Well, you're never too young if some tragic event happens, right? A car accident. You don't have to die of the diseases of the elderly, a heart attack, dementia, some other physical condition, complications with illness. If you're young, you could die. We could all die, right? Moment to moment. But again, it would be something. You could have a heart attack. You could fall to cancer or stroke or any number of actual illnesses or accidents. So you're never too young. And the young really do need a plan, especially if they have minor children. What if you're in a high-risk job? Police, firefighter, 18-year-olds to join the military. They need a plan. When I joined the military, that was the first time that I had an insurance policy. And my parents were my beneficiaries at the time. I was single. So these are the things that you have to think about. I will hit all 34, and some I might dedicate a a video just to them because they're, you know, very good talking points. Okay, so if you need to speak with me about your plan or about any situation, please go to frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.